Come here. Come and have a look at this. Come on. Come and have a look. Quick, quick. Come on.
An exciting day, guys, at DartsCymru HQ. Just received this parcel from our friends at Red Dragon Darts in Bridgend. If you like darts, which I know you do, and if you like Welsh darts, which I also know you do, you're going to love what's in this envelope. I've had a quick look myself. There's a sneak peek for you. But let's dive in and see what's inside the envelope. So first out the envelope, guys, we have a set of Seren darts. These were part of the recent Red Dragon 2025 launch. Seren translates as star in English. So I think it's great to see Red Dragon using the Welsh language as part of their marketing. As a Welsh speaker, you know, that's a massive thumbs up from me. These are the 24-gram version. They're 90% tungsten and they're the steel tip version. As you can see there, the real eye-catching sort of traditional silver barrel. And as I said, Seren means star, so you'll be reaching for the stars with this set of darts. So second out the envelope, guys, we have a set of Johnny Clayton Hiraeth darts. So again, a Welsh-only name by Red Dragon, Hiraeth. That means the longing for a person or a place. These are the 23-gram versions, steel tip again, 90% tungsten. And I think it's obvious to see that Johnny Clayton has sort of channeled his Celtic roots into these Hiraeth darts. You can see sort of a raw stone finish to the barrel, which is akin to the amazing Welsh mountains that we have around us. I really cannot wait to have a go at these darts. So the final set of darts, guys, in the envelope are the Gerwyn Price Glacier darts. These are the 24-gram version, steel tip, and as you can see there, you know, the Glacier design just amplifies that signature Iceman grip profile. Looks like a really nice dart, really eye-catching colours, and as with the Johnny ones, really can't wait to have a go at these. So just to summarise, guys, 3 sets of darts received from Red Dragon. We have the Serens, the Johnny Clayton Hiraeths and the Gerwyn Price Glaciers. Reviews will follow for all 3 sets of darts, so keep your eyes out for them. But a massive thank you from me and DartsCymru to everybody at Red Dragon for sending these through. Cannot wait to have a go at them. Diolch yn fawr iawn, boys.